Well, today we're diving into the fascinating world of light, exploring these two cool concepts. Well, welcome to the world where light plays tricks. But don't worry, it's all science.
Tapos na.
Meet reflection and refraction, the dynamic duo of light. Reflection can be defined as the bouncing back of light when it strikes on the plane. There are different kinds of reflection. Now, let's talk about refraction. What this is, the reflected light travels back to your eyes. There are also different kinds of refraction, which include it occurs at well-defined different interfaces between different media. Diffuse reflection. Now, let's talk about refraction. For example, when you look into the mirror, your image is a result of specular reflection, allowing us to see it without clear images. Let's talk about how refraction works. It changes its speed, light travels from all different objects. Just remember, science is all around us. We've explored so many concepts today, from the behavior of light to the wonders of reflection and refraction.